In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use previews on Replit. By the end, you'll know how to open a mobile app project, use Replit's preview tools, test it on a real device with Expo Go, and finish by publishing your work. Start on the Replit homepage. From here, look for the Your Recent Apps section. This is the quickest way to jump back into something you've been working on. Choose the mobile app project you want to preview. In this example, I'm opening a code sample for a mobile app, but use whatever project fits your workflow. Once the project loads, open the preview. You'll usually find the preview button near the top of the workspace or in the right side panel. This is where Replit shows the running app or gives you options to view it on different devices. If the environment needs a moment to start, let it initialize. That's normal for mobile projects. If you see a message that says no tasks yet, click it. This opens the Tasks or Jobs panel connected to the preview. If you see the same message again, click it again to confirm and let Replit create what it needs behind the scenes. This helps the preview environment spin up the right process for your app. Next, look for a small device icon in the preview toolbar. Click that to switch to the mobile preview options. Choose Preview on Device. This is designed for React Native and Expo workflows and will generate a QR code so you can run the app on your phone. You may be prompted to select an option labeled To. Go ahead and click the option marked To. If you're asked again, click To once more to confirm the selection. This simply tells Replit which preview channel or build to use. Now you'll see a prompt that says to use your camera to scan the code and launch Expo Go. Open your phone's camera or the Expo Go app, scan the QR code, and the app will load on your device. For the smoothest experience, make sure your phone and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi network, and give it a few moments while dependencies finish bundling. Watch the console logs in Replit if you need insight into what's happening. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Publish. This creates a shareable, stable preview of your current build. Only publish what you're comfortable sharing, and avoid exposing private environment variables or secrets. After publishing, you'll be ready to share access with teammates or testers. That's it. You opened your project, started a preview, ran it on a real device with Expo Go, and published it for others to see.